Good morning everybody, and today in this video we're going to be checking out 5 cryptocurrencies that I'm going to continue to be buying throughout October coming up. So fingers crossed we will see the markets flip a little bit more bullish. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 42 in the markets at the moment, with Bitcoin pumping up to $27,000. We do know that the monthly returns for Bitcoin are usually very sort of boring and not very yielding or lucrative in September. So hopefully October is going to, flash the green lights for us once again, like we usually see historically, where the October column is very green and does look promising for the altcoin sector, and of course Bitcoin monthly returns, which should help drag up those micro cap coins as well as boost the sentiment in the crypto markets. Guys, I only ask for one thing and one thing only: if you could please just subscribe to this channel. That will help us so much. So overall, recently Elio Trades has said periods when to make money. This chart has gone back in time many times, but we can see it says 2023 is a time of crisis, where the years contain hard times, low prices, but good times to buy stocks. So 2023 is that. But then we can see B here says years of good times, high prices, and time to sell stocks and values of all kinds. That is predicted for 2026. So buying today seems like a good idea according to speculative charts like this one right here. So that makes me feel very bullish. Altcoin season as well. I mean, we are looking at some altcoins in this video. We're sitting at 37, so we're not yet in an alt season, which gives us a lot of room for growth for these altcoins that we're going to explore. So the first one on this video is going to be, drum roll everybody, Aave. It's going to be Aave. I'm feeling like Aave is just undervalued. It's one I've held for a long time. I've got a lot of friends that hold this one too. $966 million market capitalization at the moment, guys. If we go back in time for this coin, it did have an all-time high of 6.5 plus. No, about $7.5 billion market capital. So it is down quite significantly. Price-wise, again, still down quite a bit. $629, sitting at $66.5 right now. So this is a lending protocol. Very cool platform. There's not really a lot like it out there at all. But I'm just getting a bit bullish on this price structure. Of course, we had the major bull market where we were in that huge downtrend following the blow off top. But now we're starting to see, hopefully, a breakthrough, and we're going to get that $74 retest, which I really hope to see for Aave over here. And ideally we can get a retest of that resistance, break on through, and see $114 if we do get a successful breakout to the upside. So we would be looking at potentially 72% gains if we do see the markets flip more bullish and Aave actually go on a run. Of course, the bearish scenario is we retest $50 support level, which has happened time and time again. We can see there's been so many attempts, a little support drop here, a little long wick down here, we had one over here, we've had a couple here as well just recently, but that $50 level is where the bulls just will not let the price crumble down any further. Anyways, for that reason, I feel like Aave could potentially go on a huge run. We do sometimes get bullish reversals out of these bearish patterns, and I think as a contrarian we are likely to see something good happen. The next coin is going to be a pre-sale. We're looking at pre-sales because recently we have seen basically some pre-sales do really well. Wall Street Memes did great. Bitcoin 20 did great as well. That gave a 6x to the holders. So this one here is one that I'm buying, and it's Bitcoin Mine Tricks. Stake tokens, mine Bitcoin. Effectively, they are tokenizing cloud mining services. So you could actually mine and stake. So you mine to stake your Bitcoins here, your new Bitcoin, shall I say. One Bitcoin MTX token is $0.011. And effectively, you can actually earn rewards by doing so. So it says buy and stake Bitcoin MTX tokens to join our safe and secure Bitcoin cloud mining platform. They're already featured in many major articles here. And Bitcoin Mine Tricks is effectively a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everybody to mine Bitcoin in a decentralized way. You don't have those massive upfront costs of the hardware to do so. You don't have to, fork out on crazy energy costs and all that lot. And overall, it's quite a cool utility-based pre-sale here that looks to, of course, expand on the current Bitcoin proof of work mechanism. And now we're seeing proof of stake here. So it's on the ERC20 network, of course. That's one thing that Bitcoin isn't, but it's cool. So Bitcoin Mine Tricks benefits over traditional mining. The cost entry is efficient, it's safe and secure. lower risk, it's simple, and there is like no lock-in period, depending on what you want to do with the staking. So reasons to cloud mine Bitcoin, all of those are sorted right there. Another good thing about this pre-sale is that there are crazy rewards at the moment on the staking side, 5,625% per annum on the APY for staking. 7.4 million tokens are already locked up at the moment. And another crazy thing is just overall, the rewards that you can actually get from mining and then staking does look pretty good. So hopefully that can actually give some good gains to people that hold this particular project. Remember, pre-sales are risky, and this is not financial advice, but I wanted to share this project with you because I do think it's going to also get listed on many big tier 1 exchanges in the future with a long-term roadmap that looks good. Overall, the total supply is 4 billion tokens. Bitcoin mining, 42.5%, 1.7 billion are allocated there. Marketing gets 35%, community gets 15%, and staking 7.5% of the overall tokenomic structure right there. So if you want to check out this pre-sale, you can buy it with a MetaMask wallet, either on BNB, Network, or ERC20, depends what you prefer, but at least do some research on this coin first, just down below. The next one is another pre-sale. This is Meme Combat. I know you're probably bored of seeing this. Well, please, let me just have your attention for another minute. They've raised $120,000 right now. It's $10 million market capitalization or hard cap target. One Meme Combat token is $1.667. And I think this one here has just got a lot of viral potential. Effectively, it's a play to earn and stake to earn ecosystem where you can actually wager on exciting battles within the game. So you will see these fun battles take place. Artificial intelligence will help dictate an outcome, and you can actually do some cool staking here at the same time. So earn APY while staked. 112% APY is potentially up for grabs. There will be a dashboard launch soon, but this works by staking your MK tokens, effectively providing liquidity. You earn APY, and then you can bet on battles at the same time. Interestingly, this meme coin is also fully doxed. You can see Matt Whiteman is the founder of this project right here, and I do think we could see like a good 2, 3, maybe even 5x pump potentially for this particular meme coin ICO. It could do things like Pepe, you know, get crazy community traction, and I think once the markets do flip more bullish, we will see more of that as well. So here's just an example of the artwork and how fun it looks. Really think it looks great. And if we flip to the Twitter, they've now got 5.6k followers, and we can see that a lot of YouTubers are talking about it. And yeah, passive staking, docs team, exciting artwork. I mean, just looks fantastic. Look at the quality of their tweets over here. It just looks really, really good. And I think that's so important for a meme coin project to have fantastic artwork like this. So this is coin number 3 in this particular video. Let's do coin number 4, the SWI network token. Now, when I look at the historical price data, this coin has not had a chance to thrive in a macro bull market environment just yet. 2023, because he listed here on CoinMarketCap from $1.30. It's been a downtrend ever since, and that doesn't alarm me because it's launched in a bear market. So what can you expect? For it to be holding, however, at $374 million market capitalization, for me is bullish. So this is a decentralized, innovative layer 1 blockchain, and I'm bullish on these sort of things. Think of Polygonmatic, think of Optimism. There's many out there. But yeah, infinite possibilities, infinite scalability, and I'm bullish on these sort of projects. And when I look at this price structure, yes, it looks bearish here on the weekly time frame from May, but you know, what do you expect? We went from extreme greed in May to fear, so naturally you're going to see a decline. And sure, there is a diagonal resistance here, but it does not alarm me, and I do think we will see a breakout at some point soon for this particular coin. So this is the weekly time frame chart. It looks like a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern here, guys. Bit of resistance sitting at 50 cents and a major resistance at $1. But with it being a $374 million market cap, I think a 10x is quite realistic because that'll take it to 3-point-something billion, and we could effectively see a huge breakout for this coin at some point. So keep your eyes peeled, because if this rips, I think it's going to rip freaking hard. We can get our fib retracement tool. I mean, a pragmatic target is seriously $1, but keep your eyes on this coin because it is trying to break out now, and it could break out a lot more aggressively. Could actually get these lines drawn up a bit more accurately because it's sitting right on the resistance. But one thing to also check here is that each time that the RSI gets to this particular level, I don't know if you can see down there the relative strength index, which shows how overbought or underbought a particular cryptocurrency is at any given time. We can see of course, we are getting rejections, usually every single time at this period. So rejection, rejection, rejection. This could be the one where we don't get that rejection and we see October come along and we get a massive parabolic pump here for this coin. So that's one thing to also speculate. Guys, if you are new here, please do also check out the Patreon down below. If you want to be a patron, unlock tons of trading signals, over 600 signals per month, guys. Please do check out the Patreon and Discord link down below just to show you how some of these signals look. This is what they'll look like. So you get the take profit zones, you get the stop loss, everything you need, the type of trade. Like I say, 600 plus signals a month just for joining, and please do take a look. We're one of the fastest growing crypto Discords at the moment, one of the biggest communities, and we're going to keep on pushing. Just 3 slots remaining of the crypto legend. That is how much people enjoy this sort of thing. We've sold 55, so 3 left, guys. Only 3. They're going to sell really quick, and it's hard to have too many because, well, there's only a few of us and we've got to manage a lot of things. Last coin number 5, everybody. ETH. Ethereum 1.6k at the moment. I'm bullish. $200 billion market capitalization. Historical market data, we can see ETH had a wild run of 559 billion. So I think we could effectively see a 1.5 to 2 trillion market capitalization for this coin, which would potentially see a 10x if Ethereum holds its current market dominance. And we see the overall globalized market cap of crypto go up by 5x and it holds its dominance. Naturally, it will also do a 5x. So that's without the actual bull run side of things. So that's just Ethereum being pegged in terms of its percentage of dominance to the global market capital, which is 1.07 trillion of cryptocurrency right now. Ethereum recently had a bit of a falling wedge pattern, got a 66% breakout. Right now I'm seeing a similar sort of descending wedge go on. Chunk of resistance over here at $1,700. If we break out of that, we might retest 1,800, and effectively the next target would be like 3k, which is obviously big numbers right now, but the first major resistance is basically $1,800 ish around here, and then of course 2,100 where we have tons of resistance and support. So Ethereum is going to be also on the list because personally I just think we're in an accumulation market right now where we can just buy our favorite coins, and there's a good chance we're going to see them do very well by the time we are in these next crypto bull runs. So it's a great time to be in the market. Don't leave the markets, stay in the markets right now. If you're also looking to trade the upcoming volatility, make sure you click on my MEXC link down below where massive rewards are potentially waiting for you upon deposit up to $30,000. Remember guys, this video is not financial advice. Check out Bitcoin Mind Tricks. Check out the meme combat pre-sale as well, and make sure you consider becoming a patron. Thank you very much everybody for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you all soon. Stay crypto safe. Peace.